I walk with a smile on my face. I feel there's a space filled with your grace.
Now is it from the heart of the mind? Cause troubles come my way, you have to cry sometime. But yet but still I laugh and I dance in the rain, pretending that I'm happy, but all I feel is pain. Tears drops fell from the one who wrote this system crying in the rain. My tears go unnoticed, I know I have to die, but do I have to die today? Dear Lord, take my troubles away. Because I had a lot of pain in my heart, it's falling all apart, so I wrote this song to God. Now Father, can you heal me? I wonder, can you feel me? Got this funny feeling that this world is trying to kill me. Father, do you know me?
Could you please show me the light? I wanna make it right, I wanna make it tight.
I wanna make it in, but every time I try, it's like I'm spitting in the wind. I feel my pain. So tell me why I'm waiting, cause ain't no hesitating on my part. But why I broke your heart to God, now help me please, cause I don't wanna fall. Could you save us all? Then you hear my battle call, then you hear me screaming peace. That's when my mama walked in and found me down on my knees, feel my pain.
God, I know you hear me, know that you feel me, know that you care about me. I got faith in what my eyes can't see. Please destroy all my mortal enemies. God, I know you hear me, know that you feel me, know that you care about me. I got faith in what my eyes can't see. Please destroy all my mortal enemies.
A nickel-plated chrome pointed at my dome. Tell the angels come and get me. I'm ready, I'm coming home. And tell my mama not to cry for me, cause I was never happy here, though her eyes couldn't see. Tell my daddy that I love him and forgive him, and tell him when he dies I pray that God be with him. Tell him ain't no hard feelings, I believe everybody needs some type of inner healing. Now pray for me and teach my son to be a man. Tell him take a stand every time that he can. And make ladies on my daughters honor your mother, remember your father. And tell my sister that her brother had to go, and only heaven knows why, cause he never told her so. And tell my brothers to remember me. You keep your eyes wide open and watch your enemies in the dark, ready to get you in the dark, preparing to hit you. Are you ready? Cause you got to be steady for them all, cause them demons come heavy. So tell Martha not to weep and not to moan, cause when I'm done here I promise you I'm coming home. So Father, don't you cry now, please don't worry, cause I promise I'ma join you and Mary. Now feel my pain.
God, I know you hear me, know that you feel me, know that you care about me. I got faith in what my eyes can't see. Please destroy all my mortal enemies. God, I know you hear me, know that you feel me, know that you care about me. I got faith in what my eyes can't see. Please destroy all my mortal enemies.
I was caught up in a fix, screaming, dear Lord, could you please get this over with? Nobody heard me, nobody came, and so I laughed and I danced in the rain. Nobody felt my pain. I don't know what, but something's gotta change. It can't remain the same, cause if it do, I'm going insane in my brain. Now feel my pain. Somebody help me please, I'm down on my knees, I'm begging for some peace. Yes, I want peace, but hell I can't find it, because this whole wicked world got me blinded. I wake up in the morning, I'm feeling bad, I'm going through the day,
I feel bad,
and when I go to bed,
I feel bad,
and all of these problems, they
truly make me sad.
I did a lot of wrong and evil things in my life, but please, dear Lord, don't let me do them twice. Now everybody laughed when I said I was confused, but man, I didn't laugh cause I knew that it was true.
God bless my heart and save my mind because it's falling apart. God save my heart and bless this mind because it's falling apart.
Somebody feel my pain.
God, I know you hear me, know that you feel me, know that you care about me. I got faith in what my eyes can't see. Please destroy all my mortal enemies. God, I know you hear me, know that you feel me, know that you care about me. I got faith in what my eyes can't see. Please destroy all my mortal enemies. God, I know you hear me, know that you feel me, know that you care about me. I got faith in what my eyes can't see. Please destroy all my mortal enemies. God, I know you hear me, know that you feel me, know that you care about me. I got faith in what my eyes can't see. Please destroy all my mortal enemies.